today we're going to look at the change of base formula for the logarithmic function. So let's see what we're being asked. So we're asked if log base a of b equals p cubed and log base b of a equals 4 over p squared, then show that p equals 1 over 4. Okay, that's interesting. So let's look at our change of base formula for the logarithm. So if we have log base b of a, this can be written as log base x a. So we can choose our base, any base, a over log base x of b. So we just have to choose the same base. So that's one way of using the change of base formula. Another way of looking at it is log base b of a is the same as 1 over log base a of b. So now we just have the reciprocal and we interchange the base with the value. Okay, so now let's see if we can apply this change of formula to our problem here. So in our problem, we're given log base a of b. And by our change of formula, that equals 1 over log base b of a. Okay, so now log base a of b, let's start plugging things in. That equals p cubed. Let's reduce this a little bit so I can fit more of it on the screen. Okay. And log base b of a, that equals 4 over p squared. Okay, good. Looks like we're getting somewhere. So now let's cross multiply. So we have p cubed times 4 over p squared. That equals 1. Okay. All right, so now we cancel out some p's. We're left with 4p equals 1. So now let's solve for p. See what we get. So this means we can divide both sides by 4 and we get that p equals 1 over 4, which is exactly what we were asked to show. Good, so that brings us to the end of our session today. If you have any questions, give us a shout at info@raisemymarks.com or give us a call day or evening. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.